So here we go, guys. Here's the bag. There you go. And if you can see from the angle, it totally doesn't look like a size 30, isn't it? If it doesn't look like a size 30, then what size could it be? It's a size 35. Sorry, it's a size 25. There you go. Isn't it beautiful? This is a Hermes Birkin 25 in the rose gold hardware, and it's gray in color. It's sort of like dark gray, like an elephant gray. And it's kind of sturdy. It holds its shape well just because it is Togo. Imagine if I were to get the Clemens leather, then yes, it will be very slouchy and soft. So, as you can see, I have already tied a twilly on the handle just to match the bag. And I think this twilly is perfect because it carries the gray, and if I were to tie it on my black Birkin, I think it will look good as well. If you haven't seen my unboxing for the black Birkin with crocodile leather and rose gold hardware, you have to scroll down in my video list to take a look at that video, because that is a beautiful bag in which I really hope you can take a look as well. Go to that video. Yeah, so for this is the another rose gold hardware Birkin that I have, and I really like rose gold because it's beautiful, and it's not so common to have rose gold hardware. And I would have to say, if you have the Hermes rose gold accessory, this bag will be perfect in your hands because it's rose gold, you know. Imagine if you were to have a what do you call that, a gold hardware Birkin, and you're wearing rose gold. It may not be like a perfect match, so it'll always be good to have something in rose gold hardware. There you go, guys. Let me open this up. As you can see, it is size 25 is rather small, and if you were to fit a long wallet over here, the long wallet will actually fill up to this portion right here. It will take up probably 5/6 of the bag's length. And as usual, size 25 Birkin has got a front compartment, a zipper compartment at the back, and if you notice, the zipper is it gold hardware? Let me take a look. No, I think the zipper is in, okay, it's in gold hardware. I don't think it's in rose gold hardware. Yeah, it looks gold to me. Can you even see? It looks gold to me. The zipper is in gold hardware. So yeah. There you have it. Something that I can go easily with white color pants. Like a, I think this bag can go with orange outfit. I think hardly anybody wear orange outfit, but I think if you were to have an orange outfit and you carry this bag, I think it will look great. And what other color clothing? It is quite a neutral color, I would say. I mean, it's something like gray, like a beige color, a very neutral color. So I think gray will go well with most outfits. But of course, if you're wearing a black outfit, this might look a little dark or a little dull overall for your black outfit. But I think white will go best, definitely, for this bag. Red, let me think of red. Maybe not exactly red outfit, but yeah, I think white will look the best. So yeah, as I said, if you have a rose gold hardware, this will go perfectly. If you haven't caught my video earlier, scroll down in my video history. You will see that I'm actually unboxing one particular leather accessory from Hermes, and that one with that hardware, it will go perfect with this bag as well. So there you have it. Nice bag for all of you to view at the moment. So if you like this video, click on the like button, and also not forgetting to click on the subscribe button for more videos to come. Okay, and take care, stay safe, no touching of your hands, your face, or no touching of your nose, your mouth, your face, your eyes, etc. You have to stay safe. Okay, always wash your hands as usual. Stay safe. Bye bye.